so Paul Martin, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, weighed in on this today, and I thought his op-ed was very eloquently written. Whether you agree or you don't agree, it was eloquently written. One of the things he said, the marches, he was defending them and saying this link of blaming the protesters, he doesn't believe in it. The marches are meant to raise awareness of double standards, lack of adequate police candidate screening, and insufficient training that may have resulted in unnecessary killings. Police are not under attack. Institutionalized racism is. Do you buy that? Is that why a lot of people are out on the streets?
It's not that I buy it. It's absolutely correct. Yeah. But I'm a little surprised by Paul's comments regarding the attitude of, or the comments of the mayor and the president. They are supposed to speak in a manner in which is truthful and honest. And maybe previous presidents didn't have this opportunity because they have not been stopped. Their children have not been the subject of racism. I have been shocked by the death of these two police officers, terrible tragedy. But the attitude that racism doesn't exist in our criminal justice system, that is what's false. Mayor Giuliani, he's an idiot. I'll tell you that right now. He's ill-informed, he is ignorant, and he's irrelevant. And trying to put himself in this position for political maneuvering is really unfortunate.
Well, you know what Giuliani's remembering? Back in the 1970s, the Black Liberation Army targeted killings of police officers in New York City. Everybody's got a real short memory for how bad things used to be in the 70s and the 80s. That's what Giuliani's talking about, how bad it can get if you lose confidence in the cops.
Diallo was killed under Giuliani. Abner Louis was sodomized under Giuliani. He led a brutal police force.
Listen, the rhetoric in the city has to stop. It has to stop from the PBA, by saying there's a war.
Well, the Police Officers Union, of course, saying the mayor has blood on his hands. That would appear to be intemperate also.
But you have to understand, the rhetoric has to stop. The rhetoric regarding there's a war on who? That's going to raise another issue. The rhetoric on part of protesters who claim kill cops has to stop. There has to be some discussion to stop what's going on in this city. And it's not going to stop until people humble themselves and come together and discuss it.